What up guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about the Athene Network P2P platform and how you can actually make use of this platform to your own advantage. So if you have been mining ATH on the Athene Network application itself, or you have some Lion meme coin in your wallet, SDA, which is the Sidra Bank, or you have Pi. As I've seen cases where people try selling their Pi network online to random people and they end up being scammed. So Athene Network P2P platform is one of the safest places I think you can sell your Pi and withdraw your funds into your own wallet. So I'm going to be showing you a whole lot of stuff about the Athene Network P2P platform. So if you're interested in everything I just mentioned right here, right now, you need to pay attention to details till the end. For you to be able to make use of this platform, you definitely need to have an account, and to have an account there's a link in the description. Click on it, it will take you right there, or you can go through the Athene Network mining application, but you have to make sure you are registering with the same email address you used in registering for your Athene Network mining application. It has to be exactly the same email address so that things are going to be easy for you and not complicated. You can use my referral link, my invitation code, which is blinking on the screen right now. You can put it in the required box when you are registering an account. All right, now this is not my first time making a video on the Athene P2P platform. I've made a video once about a few months ago about how you can use this platform to withdraw your ATH, sell it, and withdraw USDT directly into your own personal wallet. But I want you guys to know that that video was made back then when we were all allowed to withdraw the ATH. After mining, you can withdraw and sell on the P2P, but currently it has been limited to only those who are on the premium package. And this premium package consists of 4 different plans, which is the bronze package. We have the bronze, we have the silver, we have the golden, and we have the diamond packages. So every one of them has their own fee that you can use to upgrade your account and become a premium user of the Athene Network. So only those on the premium package can now sell their ATH directly on the P2P. But if you do not have any premium package activated, you can't sell the ATH. You can only maybe sell the Lion and other coins on the P2P. So if you're not on any premium package, the only thing you can sell here is going to be the Lion and Sidra Bank and Pi network, also the gem. I don't know if you can sell gem, but you can sell Lion, SDA, and Pi. All right, so as for the ATH, you need to be on the premium package in order for you to be able to withdraw ATH and sell on the P2P. All right, you can also check over here. You can check up here on this band. You can see their statistics going up on the band right here. There you can see total number of users, total number of transactions, and so many statistics on this platform. You can see them rolling up over here. All right, okay, now here is your wallet. You can click on this wallet right here. This is where you are going to see every single token that you have sent over here. Now you know you need to make deposits in this wallet in order for you to be able to sell these tokens you can see over here. So to make deposit, you need to go to your Athene Network mining application and you send those tokens over here. I already made a previous video, like I said earlier on. I made a video on how to use the P2P, how you can send your funds over here and sell them on the P2P and even withdraw USDT into your own personal wallet. So if you've not seen that video, the video is in the description. You can go ahead, check it out. I'm not going to do all that right here. Now, if you are the type that you want to buy these coins, you can also use this P2P to buy these coins easily. And how you can do that is just for you to first deposit USDT over here. Now you click on the deposit section. If you click on the deposit section, it's going to provide you the wallet address that you can copy. You're going to send the USDT over here in order for you to buy any one of those coins you want to buy. You can always select your network also. If you want it to be on the Binance Smart Chain, on Ethereum, or on Tron, the choice is yours. But most of the time I think Binance has the cheapest gas fee, so it's always preferable to use the one with the cheapest gas fee. All right, so you can do that and you'll be able to buy any of these coins you want to buy. Now for those of you that would love to sell your Pi network, all you have to do once you get into here is to just look for the Pi, is for you to just select Pi this way. You select the Pi network this way and it's going to bring out for you everybody that wants to buy or wants to sell Pi. So you have to select between these two. You can see buy, you can see sell. So you click on the sell. Supposing you have your Pi network that you've already deposited here, you're just going to click on the sell and you go this way, scroll, and you look for people who are buying Pi as a reasonable rate. All right, so you can see this person here is is buying anything from $5 worth of pie to 206 USDT worth of pie. So that is just it, and so on. You just have to check within them and look for the price that is suitable for you, and you transact with these people. All right, because I think it's safe for those of you that want to sell your pie network. You can go ahead, use the Athene Network P2P platform to do your transaction, so that you are definitely going to be getting your own funds in your wallet. You are not going to get scammed. All right, so I've made withdrawal from this platform. I've sold my ATH once, and I showed you guys. So that is just it on how you can sell your coins on the P2P over here. It's very easy, something you can do by yourself. And the same thing goes for those that wants to buy over here. You just go on the buy section, click on the buy, and scroll through and look for those that are ready to sell for you. All right, then you are just going to select one, then you click on, let's do for instance, I'm clicking on buy right here. You are going to see details, then you fill in the box, the amount you want to buy, then you're just going to do what you're, so the buy button is going to be activated for you, and you are going to be good to go. You're just going to buy, and it's as simple as that. It's not complicated, it's not difficult. It's something you guys can do by yourself. So these are the coins you can sell and buy on the P2P right now: ATH, Lion, SDA, Pi Network, and Gem. All right, these are the ones you can transact over here, and like I said later on, only those on the premium package can sell their ATH over here. I think I'm going to make a video later on how to activate a premium package. If you're interested, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll do that. I'll show you guys how to activate a premium package so that you guys can do it on your own. Actually, not a financial advice. If you're interested, just let me know in the comment section, then I'll see if I'm going to make a video on that. All right, so guys, in case you're not mining ATH, you can still go hop on it. The link is in the description. You can hop on it and right on the Athene network, where you're going to be mining regularly. I think once in every 24 hours you can click and accumulate some of this token for free. It's completely free. All right, so guys, if you're not yet on it, the link is in the description, and use my referral code to get bonus for joining the Athene network over here. So guys, that is it for this video. If you like what I showed in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.